AI's hardest tool just killed the hard part. That's the claim. Comfy UI, the node-based image and video engine that gives half the internet a headache, just shipped an official MCP so Claude or Codex can build, run, and fix your workflows while you keep the creative half. Today on MeshCast, we put that claim on the operating table. And this one is interesting because the tutorial itself is one of the most accurate I have checked all season. Its headline, though, is 7 weeks late. Let's get into it. The core claim, Comfy officially released their MCP. Verified, but the timing is wrong. Comfy.org shipped Comfy MCP in public beta on June 29, 2026. That's 7 weeks before this video went up. The launch headline was literally "Turn your agent into a creative technologist." It exposes the full Comfy UI engine over the Model Context Protocol. Search models, nodes, and templates. Build workflows, run them, share them by URL. The video also says the official MCP is in beta, while the community one is pressure tested. That part is exactly right. The community MCP, the video links, artokun's comfyui-mcp, is real, and it is a monster. 178 tools, 36 AI skills, 55 installer packs. It is local first and edits your live node graph in natural language. And the Comfy UI desktop app he recommends is real. Comfy.org ships it from comfy.org/download, and it genuinely kills the old clone the repo, fight Python and CUDA nightmare. The one-sentence install framing is basically accurate for anyone already running Claude Desktop. Verified. Now the client catch. The video says you can use Claude Desktop, ChatGPT with Codex, Kimi K3, really any LLM that allows computer use. Here's the fine print. At beta launch, the official MCP's first-party OAuth support is scoped to Claude Code and Claude Desktop. Codex, Cursor, and the rest are on the roadmap, not turnkey. But the video also tells you to install the community MCP, and that one genuinely works with Codex and ChatGPT today. So the combined setup works exactly as he shows. The claim that the official server supports every client today? Partially verified. Hardware claims. The video recommends an NVIDIA card in the 4090 to 5090 range. Sound advice, though Comfy UI does run on Macs and Apple Silicon, just slower, and the video admits the PC side has fewer headaches. And the RunPod price? He says you can rent an H100 for $3.29 an hour. Verified, down to the cent. That is the exact published RunPod pods rate for an H100 SXM. The local generation claims. Minimax H3 in the templates. Verified, the open weights shipped in August, and Comfy UI has native templates for it. LTX 2.5 verified, official nodes and reference workflows. The partner API nodes, CDance 2.5, Grok Imagine Topaz, all confirmed on Comfy's own workflow pages. And the fun one, the auto captions kept saying Fable 5 when he tested the safety guardrails. That's Claude Fable 5. Anthropic's guardrailed Mythos class model launched in June, which falls back to Opus 4.8 on high-risk requests. So when the model refused to wipe his Mac and leak his bank info, that is documented model behavior, not luck. Verified. Now the misses. 1. The headline says just shipped. It shipped 7 weeks earlier. Framing it as breaking news is the video's biggest factual slip. 2. The multi-client claim for the official MCP. Roadmap, not today. 3. The horror stories about rogue agents deleting bank accounts. Anecdotal, unverifiable. The 204 seconds of generation time he quotes, that's his machine, his run. Fine as anecdote, not fact. And the 13.34 gigabyte music model download. Unverifiable, and also fine as personal experience. Final score, 15 claims verified, 2 partially verified, 3 failed. And full credit where it's due. The video literally says trust but verify, which is what this entire show is. And now, quiz time. MeshCast quiz time. Pause if you need to. When did Comfy UI actually ship its official MCP? A. August 20th, 2026, the day the video went up. B. June 29th, 2026. C. July 8th, 2026. D. May 19th, 2026, at Google I.O. You've got 5 seconds. Time's up. The answer is B. June 29th, 2026. Comfy.org launched Comfy MCP in public beta 7 weeks before this video went up. A was the video's publish date. The story was already old. C was the day Google AI Studio shipped its GitHub import. And D was Google I/O. Wrong company, wrong event. How'd you do? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. I'm Sean David Ramsing. This has been MeshCast.